Hey, welcome to this video series about the toolkit in C64 OS. In this video I just want to talk about custom classes. So this here is an example of a custom class. So the system is designed to allow an application to divide the screen between part of it which is drawn by the toolkit and part of it which is drawn by which you can do manual drawing on. However, if you wanted to do some custom drawing into an area of the screen which is already maintained by the toolkit, so for example, this area here is inside the bounds of, say, this split view, the way to do that is to implement a custom class. So this custom class is simply a subclass of TK_View, which is a very generic sort of rectangular area within which you can draw your own code. So this class, it actually loads in the application icon and then draws the icon here, and then it draws some individual lines of text. This is just example, happens to be hard-coded, and it draws this kind of cool little bar. But what's interesting also is that because its subclass is TK_View, it also inherits all of the anchoring properties and the other view properties. So for example, you can see that as I change its parent's dimensions, it sizes itself accordingly, and this edge gets clipped. And also, we can, say, use this menu option to hide the view, and so that is all part of the toolkit, that you can make a view invisible, and you can change its you can change the bounds of the view that's above it to fill in its space. And so really, by using custom classes, you can very easily make anything drawn that you want to draw. So thanks for watching.